What is going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube. Just a quick update on some trades taken last night during pre-learning session. As always, during my trading window, these trades were called out to my Telegram channels. So we have the premium gold channel, and we also have the premium GJ channel, and these trades were called out in here. The links to that will be down in the description if you guys are interested. There's also the free Telegram which you can join. And yeah, so this was gold last night. And if you go back into my previous YouTube video, which is my most recent one, is this one right here. Today's gold and GJ analysis. You will see that I broke down both of these trades in that video on YouTube. So I'm not gonna be doing too much explanation of why I took these trades. If you want to understand why I took them, then go ahead and watch that video. But yeah, we had some really nice bullish moves here anticipated. With the volume coming into the market, we had a take profit one hit here on gold for 35 pips, I believe. First of all, yep, 35 pips, and then take profit two hit on gold for 70 pips. So, you know, beautiful move. Some slight drawdown in here as price pushed up and then retraced back, tapped back into this level, and then continued to drive up. But overall, really good trade. We caught this whole move up. We caught the momentum, we caught the volume right at the perfect time. And this was basically just looking at market structure, understanding what is going on in the markets and reacting to it, right? We're not trying to predict, we're not trying to guess where the price is going next or anything like that. We're reacting to the market with what the market is telling us during that day, and then we are taking trades based on that. So that was the gold trade. Like I said, 70 pips total. Called out in my Telegram. Here's the Telegram right here. You can see here, right? Gold buy stops, right? And there's the previous before it happened. So entry 1912, 998, take profit. Closed 50%. So we closed. So this is where I was talking about this. As price came back down and tapped in here, we closed half at break even. So well, I closed half at break even. Depends if you guys want to follow my complete analysis and plan, or if you just want to take my entries or anything like that. That is completely up to you. But I closed half at break even here as price came back down. We'd already hit take profit 2 on GJ at that point, so I was just managing risk. So yeah, it ended up coming down, tapping, just going below break even, and then continuing bullish and hitting take profit 1 and 2. So that was half positions in that trade. And move gold stops to break even. So move stops to break even as price was pushing up. Here, take profit 1 hit. And then so this is our record: 21 wins, 4 losses, 6 break even trades. And then boom, take profit 2 hit overnight for 70 pips. And then of course we had GJ, which again we caught the volume, the momentum, the move. We caught it, right? We was in it before it even happened, right? We got in the market here, and then look how far price dropped. Look at all the volume in these candles, the momentum, the volume. Beautiful trade, right? 55 pips, take profit 2, and 30 pips, take profit 1. And again, that was called out, as you can see here, before it happened. Sell stops, entry now. Stop loss, take profit 2. Take profit 1 hit here, take profit 1 hit, move stops to break even. Take profit 2 hit 55 pips. And again, that's our record: 21 wins, 4 losses, 6 break evens so far during the duration of our premium channels, which started at the start of June. So it's been just over a month. And these are our results so far. So those were the trades yesterday. Like I said, if you want to understand why I took these trades, go and watch yesterday's video on gold and GJ analysis, blah, blah, blah. It's in the free forex education section. And you will see me explaining why I took these trades. But yeah, overall, you know, happy with how they played out. You know, we had some members messaging and saying that he took the call outs and he closed gold at break even, but he held GJ's take profit too. That was his GJ trade right there. Some nice profit. And yeah, we've had some new members joining, things like that. So, you know, everything's looking good. Everything's, you know, running smoothly, and we continue to dominate the markets. We continue to, you know, be calm and precise with our trades and in our decisions. The members are growing. You know, I'm only getting better as the days, weeks, months go by, as well, with managing trading as well as managing the members in the premium groups. And also, you know, the more we forward test, I've been using the strategy for 2 years, profitable for 2 years. And the more we progress, the more we forward test, the more you know, streamline we can get the strategy, and the more experience will be, the more trades we will experience and take, and it's only just going to keep getting better. So that is that for this video. I'm just exhausted. I was up at 4 a.m. this morning. I've got a newborn, my daughter, so yeah, that is that. Thank you guys for watching. If you're interested in the premium channels, the links will be down below to the free one and the paid one. And with the paid one, you pay one subscription and you get access to both channels. Like this, as you can see, this is the message you will see. Choose your subscription, gold and GJ, and you get access to both channels here. See? And then that's every month, $25 US. So yeah, that is that. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.